也没个鸟了有个，我哥也怕个鸟，莫把不逃不瞧门俺把地图好。
Guys, I'm ETKS and I'm here with
Epilog.
I'm with.
Pepper.
So today we're eating Korean food and then this sausage is from Thailand and Asian stuff that we had and vegetable, man, always vegetable. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Eat, man. Hey, you want some noodle?
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
you pass me some shrimp?
Yeah. Hold up.
Yeah, Mom.
Hold up. I got you, man. Oh, damn, that's a lot.
Only give me a little shrimp.
Hold up.
I don't want to burn my mouth.
You don't want to burn your mouth?
I'm
This is
just kidding
a
myself.
2-time noodle. We put 3 of them. So 9 times, I guess.
Yeah, Mom. What's it?
Noodle?
It's hard.
It's hard to keep my cool.
Why don't we noodle shrimp?
Because you're already eating it now.
So good.
Get some of this, bro. Probably help you out.
The sausage. So yeah, the talking thing.
This?
It's too much.
Kind of hot, huh?
Good.
It's hot, man.
Yeah, have them.
Yeah. You got it from there?
Will you give me one?
Yeah. Spicy. I'm gonna get up with
Let me go for noodle.
But this is only for you, bro. Only for you. Here, take it. It's spicy. Oh. What do you eat it, bro? It's good. hot, man.
Super hot.
ไหวแล้วจุ่มเยอะเลยYou gotta eat more, you know?
This is super hot.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Love you guys.
Like and subscribe.
Next time we'll eat more.
Love you guys.
It's pretty hot. Woo. See y'all later.
我是个高，我发个绿，不闹个啥个不到位，不走不打黑，为不进要到你到位。